Or again, I forgot.
3.5 minutes.
3.5. Go back up there.
Yeah. Can we get the other one set up for you?
Sure.
Oh, did you bring the batteries?
Yeah.
Allison's.
They're in my green bag there.
That thing would pop right up.
It did. Wow, that is rock solid, huh?
That's no sticks. I'm not touching it.
I know, that's I figured, yeah. Wow. Those tubby motors are good.
They are.
The inboard too or the outboard too? Left wing or right wing?
I have no idea.
Sorry, I didn't set a timer.
Set mine.
Oh, good.
You upset that hawk?
I think the hawk doesn't like it. Come on, hawk. Yeah, I think I'll add flaps to this thing. I think that would be really a good idea.
I don't think that'd be tough either.
Nope. Coming in.
Coming in.